Hey, I'm Amber Howard, and today I'm going to teach a lesson on volcanoes to my imaginary fourth grade class. So let's go ahead and get started. So earlier today, I showed you a video of the volcano that is now erupting in the Philippines. Can you tell me one thing that you learned about the video? Yes, it has erupted 50 times in the last 500 years. Anyone else? Yes, tens of thousands of people have been evacuated. So it's a big volcano and it's been a lot in the news. So I thought today would be a good day to learn more about volcanoes. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do today is you are going to complete a KWL chart on volcanoes. And I'm going to show you what the chart looks like now. Okay, now I want you to think about what you already know about volcanoes. This is a KWL chart and it will help you think about what you already know. The first column is the K column, and I want you today to write down one thing that you already know about volcanoes. So I want you and your partner to discuss what you know. The second column is what I want to know. So again, work with your partner and you're going to write down one thing that you want to learn today about a volcano. The third column, what I have learned, it will be completed after the lesson. Okay, get started with your partner. Now I'd like to hear some of your answers. Okay, who wants to share what you wrote down under the K column? What you already know. Okay, so I like that one. A volcano is a disaster. It is a disaster. Okay, who else would like to share? Volcanoes have magma and lava. Great job. Volcanoes have magma and lava. Okay, now, what did you and your partner write down under the W, what you want to learn? Would someone like to share? Oh, you want to know how hot a volcano gets. I like that one. Very good. Okay, so today, as the day goes on, we're going to fill more things out in our KWL chart. We are still thinking about what you already know about volcanoes. Now, this may be the most exciting thing that you do all day. I want you to work with your partner to get a Chromebook and complete a volcano game. And I'm going to show you very quickly how to play. Okay, so click here to play and start. Okay, you're going to use the arrows on the game to move the school bus to the top of the volcano. Now, as you travel, you're going to notice that you have different facts that I want you and your partner to learn. That's the most important thing about the game, is learning the new information. So I'm going to move the school bus, and you see new facts as I go along. And then when you finish the game, you see the eruption and there's more facts at the end. So continue to read. They're very interesting. Okay, go ahead and get started with your partner. Okay, now that you've been thinking about what you already know about volcanoes and you've learned a few new facts along the way, now we're going to start our jigsaw activity. So you are going to work in your cooperative group of 4 students, and today you are going to use the book Volcanoes by Anne Schreiber to learn about volcanoes, and then you and your cooperative group are going to teach the rest of the class. So every group in the class is going to read a different chapter, and then we will know all the information in the book by the end of the class. Okay, now what kind of book is Volcanoes? Is it fiction or nonfiction? Yes, it is nonfiction. Now, nonfiction books have different features than fiction books. Would anyone like to tell me what you know about nonfiction books? What do you notice? Yes, you have titles. This is a table of contents. You're right. What does the table of contents tell you? It tells you what page to turn to. So you don't have to read the whole book. You can look to see what you want to learn. Do you see anything on this page? Yes, I see a vocabulary word. So if you don't know the meaning of the word, you could look here and it will tell you the meaning. I see another heading, a real photograph. Now this is a picture, and what do you see the words around it? Yes, it's labeled. Very good. So you want to make sure that you always look at the pictures and the diagrams and look at the labels. And here are more vocabulary words. And here is a caption. What does the caption tell you? A caption will tell you more information about the picture that you're looking at. So these are just a few of the nonfiction features that you will find in the book. So now what I want you to do is get in your group of 4, and I'm going to assign you a chapter, and you and your team are going to read the chapter and then get the piece of chart paper and markers, and I want you to create a fun poster that you could share with the whole class, because remember, you are the teacher. You're teaching us what you know about volcanoes. Now, I want everyone in the group to read in the chapter, and then I want everyone in your group to participate by writing at least one sentence on the poster, something that you learned. And if you need any help, just raise your hand and I will come by and help you. Do you have any questions? Okay, let's get started. Good luck.